Okay, let's make a keychain. Do that. Let's make some parameters. This is really fun. So we'll do width of 35 millimeters. We're all millimeters. We'll do length 75 should do. Height. So that gives us our body. Make one for text when we put our name in. And I got one going to be our ring. That's where we'll put our keychain. Okay, now we can create our sketch. I like putting it on the top plane. It's just I like how it fits on the print bed. So we'll start with this center. You can use the center rectangle tool or the 2-point. I like center because it keeps everything centered. All right, so we can type W, click that, and we hit tab, type L. That gives us our width and length. And we finish the sketch. We'll extrude by typing E, and then let's type the letter H because that's our height parameter. That on new body because that's the only body we have right now. Or I forget, I want to put some lines or ring when we get to it. Create a sketch right on this face. We'll hit L for line tool. If you click the line and then type X, it turns it into a construction line where you don't, you're not dividing anything with a construction line like you would a regular line. Okay, so that's going to be the side we put our ring on. For now, we want to round our edges. Fill it, an edge, another edge. Got all 4 of them. And then we're going to do 5 millimeters. Give it a nice round appearance. Double check I got that off. So now we'll create another sketch on this face and text. What you want to do here is I'm going to grab it so it's symmetrical. Get as much as we can in case we need it. Amanda, if your name's Amanda and you're watching this, can you please make a comment? Thanks. So we're at 14, but if you remember, we made a parameter for text. That's to extrude it. 14. We're at 14. Everything's centered. Click OK. Finish our sketch. Here, we're going to hit this letter. Type E. We're going to extrude, and the distance is going to be text. It's 3 millimeters. We're going to choose new body. You can click join, which is fine, but there's a reason I'm doing it this way, and you'll find out soon. Click OK. Got our keychain. You can't see it yet, but I'm going to do something called appearance. And nice shiny blue. We'll stick there. And then the white at each letter. See, if you clicked join, you wouldn't be able to do this because it's not a separate object. It's easier to color this way or something we do later. So now we got our little keychain looking pretty good. You can always adjust the text height if you'd like. Now we draw our little rings. Create a sketch, choose that, just make a circle. We're gonna make a circle here. There's 3 millimeters, lock that in. Then we can get another one here. I'm gonna go 1.5. We're gonna click finish. As you can see, I think we got it centered actually. Let's check once we extrude this. Extrude that part right there. We're going to go on it nice and wide. So let's go 3 millimeters. We're going to turn that sketch on earlier. This one. So now we can use our move tool. Select that. See if we can get that whole body. Let's line it up with those lines we made. Let's do -3. Let's up it all. 2 is almost there. 1.5. There we go. That's how you line stuff up that you can't do normal. It's nice and embedded. Now we're going to make it round. We're going to give it a fillet on the side. What's 3 like that? 2. Side, other side. It's a rounded keychain. You can mess around with that design of the actual lip ring. Now we can turn that sketch off. Okay, here. Now you're probably wondering why I put the ring 90 degrees. Here's what I want to show you. Once you import it into your slicer, like Bamboo Studio or Prusa Slicer, Creality, whatever you got, what it's going to do, you're going to slice the plate, and then if you check out the ring, put a pause here so that when this is printing, you can drop your ring right in here, click resume, and it'll print right over top of the ring, and you won't have to fight it trying to get the ring on or breaking something. Not to mention, if you have bamboo, it's going to try and match the color to your AMS because we colored it in Fusion. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.